Good afternoon, Clyde Dowdy Jr. here with another Youth Sports Network presentation of Big Apple Youth Football, Super Bowl VII, Mite Division. The Springfield Rifles take on the Brooklyn Renegades here from Old Boys High Field in Brooklyn, New York. Renegades football to start the first quarter. First play is off the left side. Nice gain. We have a penalty. We'll do this one over. Quarterback brings the play in from the sideline. Assesses his offensive line. Getting things strategically straight. Renegades on the move. Pass out to the right flat. It drops incomplete. Renegades ball on the move. Played right off the left tackle. Short gain. It's going to bring up a fourth down play here. Excuse me, third down play. As a pitch to the right side. The defense forces him wide and shuts him down. Fourth down, Renegade ball. And we have a timeout on the field. We'll be right back after the break. You're watching YSN, the worldwide leader in youth sports coverage.
Girls, not those. Not those. Right here. Who the hell's that? Oh my God!
We're the sister you can cook.
Mad soccer. Clyde Dowdy here, back at Old Boys High Field for their Super Bowl VII championship. Renegades football. And there's a reverse play. What a block out in front. He's got plenty of green to maneuver. And it looks like he's going to take this one to the house. Touchdown Renegades on a nifty play. Let's take a look at this again. Fake up the middle. The running back comes from the right side to his left, gets a nice handoff from the quarterback, splits the defense, and takes it all the way. He was barely touched. 6 points, Renegades, as they jump out on top here in this Super Bowl VII championship. Extra point attempt by the Renegades. Quarterback rolls to his right, and he's brought down. The attempt is no good. This is Clyde Dowdy Jr., Boys High Field, YSN, the leader in youth sports coverage. We'll be right back. This is YSN, the world leader in youth sports coverage.
Girls, not those. Not those. Right here. Who the hell's that? Oh my God!
We're the sister you can cook.
Mad soccer. We're back here for Super Bowl VII coverage of this YSN telecast. The Springfield Rifles will have their turn, try to get back in this game. The Renegades took the opening kickoff and marched downfield and have a 6-0 lead here. A running play, no gain. It's a pass attempt to the right flat. It's complete for a short gain. Third down, Rifles football. Rifles on the move. There's a run off the right side, and it's shut down immediately as the Renegades were all over that play. A little sweep to the left side. Nice eluding of the tackle by the Rifle running back for a nice nifty gain. Let's watch this again. It's a straight handoff, sweep, blockers out in front. The runner is looking to get to the corner. Puts the ball over into the wrong hand. Lucky he didn't have that strip, but he's able to hold on for a nice gain. Rifles still in possession. Power eye backfield. That play goes nowhere. There's a little confusion in the backfield. Another great defensive play as the Rifles running backs are shut down here in these last two possessions. There's a penalty on the play. And it's a big one. A 15-yarder. And that looks like it's the end of the first quarter. This is YSN, the leader in youth sports coverage. We'll be right back. We're back here at Boys High Field for the beginning of the second quarter. Renegades football. We start off on a bad note. Penalty on the play. Fake. Up the gut. Around the left side. Ooh. Nice hit by number 21 to bring down the runner. Second down. Renegades on the move. Same play. Same results. Nice open field tackle there. You see the coach on the side was urging his player to get upfield quicker. Too much east-west, not enough north-south. The pitch to the right side. The Renegades are the Rifles are all over the Renegades. Rifles take over. It's a nice run by the quarterback to get outside of the defense and get a nice, decent yardage on that play. The fake to the man in motion, sprints out to the right side, being chased by the defenders, gets around one, but he's brought down. Nice play by the quarterback on that play. Rifles trying to get back in this game down a touchdown. Nice play by the running back as he took the pitch, the handoff, swept around the right side and cut it up and got it 3 or 4 yards out of that play. Somebody jumped too soon on the Rifles. We're going to bring that one back. It's going to cost them 5. There's a fake sweep. Looks like the quarterback keeps the ball and tries to get around the right side. He's out of bounds. 4 minutes left in the second quarter. Rifles football as they take over. Rifles on the move. Trying to get back into this one. And they will get back into this one. No penalties on the play. It's a touchdown. Let's take a look at this one. It looks like a simple sweep by the quarterback as he gets outside with grace and efficiency. Beats the corner around the sideline. Little stiff arm there, but didn't even look like he needed. His speed allowed him to get up to the outside and score that touchdown and tie up this game. And they're trying to go ahead now on the extra point. 6-6 here, Super Bowl VII. And the extra point is no good. It's bobbled by the quarterback. The play is dead. We're in a tie here. This is YSN, the leader in youth sports coverage. We'll be right back. This is YSN, the world leader in youth sports coverage.
Girls, not those. Not those. Right here. Who the hell's that? Oh my God!
We're sister, you can cook.
Mad Soccer.
Back here at Super Bowl VII, the Renegades will take over after giving up a touchdown to the Rifles, who tied up the score. That's an off-counter play. Off the left side, picks up about 7 yards. Nice hole there at the point of attack. Renegades ball. Look, they got a player down. Coaches come out to assist them. We're back here, second down. Straight handoff over the right side. Nice hole at the point of attack. And a nice finish by the running back as he got as much as he could. He put his head down and took it right at the defense to get a couple of extra yards. Watch this as he moved the defensive player back and got 2 or 3 extra yards out of that. Nice play. Renegade ball on the move. First down. Another nice hole. Point of attack for the Renegades. 4-yard gain. Second down. Little sweep to the right side on a counter play. Nice run by number 4. As he eluded a few tacklers and got inside, picked up about 4, so we got 3rd down and 2 for the Renegades. Got a man in motion, but he left a little bit too soon. Take him back 5. 3rd and 8. Four-yard pickup. 4th down. Renegade football. Got a rifle player shook up on the field. He intended to by the training staff. To get him out the game. To attend to him at the sideline. Hope he's all right. 4th down for the Renegades. Here in the 2nd quarter as they try to sustain this drive so they can try to jump back ahead of the Rifles who scored on their last possession. Another straight handoff over the right side. And he's not going to get there. The Rifles will take over on downs. Rifle football. That's what you like to see. You like to see you come out and score and shut down the opposing team and get the football back right away and go on an attack, and that's just what they did. A nice nifty run over the left side for 8 yards. Make it 6, excuse me. They're going to try the same play again. That defensive end really shut that down as he pushed upfield and pushed the running back into the backfield. His teammates was able to bring him down. 3rd down and let's say 3. Quarterback drops back, looks to pass. No one open. He sweeps around the side, and he's going to run out of green on the sideline, and he's brought down. Let's watch this again. Straight drop back. He's flushed out of the pocket, rolls to his right, and he's trying to pick up whatever he can on this play. Does turn the corner a bit before he's forced out of bounds. Fourth down play here for the Springfield Rifles. It was tremendous penetration by the Renegades, but the quarterback was able to get the ball out to his running back. He picked up a few yards. Six here, Super Bowl VII. This is YSN, the leader in youth sports coverage. We'll be right back. This is YSN, the world leader in youth sports coverage. Clyde Dowdy Jr. back here at Old Boys High Field for this Super Bowl VII championship. The Rifles have the ball. The Rifles running back had a wide open field and he dropped the ball. But he was able to pounce on it and regain possession. The ball rolled back and he lost a couple of yards, so a 2nd and 12. Brings up a 3rd down play here. The quarterback keeps the ball and looking to throw it, but he is sacked for a big loss. Renegades take over on downs, deep in the Rifles' territory. A nice shoestring tackle by that Rifle defensive player. Renegades try to sweep once again, and it's not going anywhere. It's 6-6 here in the 3rd quarter. Very tight contest. Each team scoring on big running plays. You can expect that this level at the passing isn't what it could be because they're just starting to formulate their skills. What a tough run by that Rifle running back as the Rifles take over the ball on down. Powers his way up the middle for a nice gain. Once again, the Rifles push up the middle, going right over their center. Brings up a third down. A big loss by the Rifles on that play as the Renegades penetrated deep into the backfield and was able to bring down the runner for a substantial loss. Rifle quarterback looking to throw the ball. There's no one open, so he's going to keep it. He's trying to get outside. What a nice burst of speed, and he turns nothing into a big something. Let's watch this again. He drops back, he looks to his left, doesn't see anything, sprints around the right side, a little juke there as he got the defender leaning to the inside, and he took it to the outside and turned on the burners. Got up the sideline. If it wasn't for that defensive back getting out there and pushing him out of bounds, it could have went to the rock for a big touchdown. Little inside handoff, short gain, second down. Interesting formation by the Rifles as they sent their three running backs over to the right side. It's a superpower sweep to the right side, and it works. 17-yard run. Watch the shift here. The blockers get out in front. It was a huge overload, and the Renegades didn't react to it. 17-yard gain, first down Rifles as they get out of their own territory and get into Renegade territory, trying to take the lead here in this Super Bowl VII championship. And that's the end of the third quarter here. This Super Bowl VII championship. Springfield Rifles 6, the Brooklyn Renegades 6. This is Youth Sports Network, the leader in youth sports coverage. We begin the fourth quarter. The Rifles are on the move. Let's hope that this change of field does not affect their attack. They go to this power formation again. But this time, they go opposite the grain as they're pulling out all the tricks here on this drive. Let's watch this again. Last time they ran right at the power formation. This time they run away from it by handing off the ball to the running back who gets around the left side of the line and picks up a nice gain. We got an injured player down here on the field, one of the Rifle players. Coaches and staff are out there. It looks like he hurt his left leg there. He's limping a bit and hope he's okay. Gets a pat on his head by his coach. Rifles ball. On the move. Run off the right side. He tries to get outside. That's strung out by the defense. Goes out of bounds. Short gain. Rifles on the move. Another sweep around the right side. Short gain. As the Renegade defense is stiffening here, trying to keep the Rifles out of their end zone. Quarterback rolls again to the right. There is nothing there as the Renegades were all over this particular play. It's fourth down coming up for the Rifles. That running play goes nowhere as the Rifles marched down the field and got close, but not close enough as they now have to give up the ball to the Renegades. Good job by that Renegade defense, and we have another player down on the field right now. It's been a tough game out here. Looks like we have another leg injury as big number 75 gets up and gets off the field in his own power. Nice job by the Renegade defense. as they bent but didn't break. Renegade football on the move. Ball's on the ground. Let's see who recovered. The Rifles have recovered the football and take over. See if they can push this ball across the goal line and jump out in front of here in this 6-6 tie. Super Bowl VII here from Old Boys High Field in Brooklyn, New York. Nice run. Started out as a sweep, cut up inside. Powers his way down for a nice gain. It's second down. Little off-counter play to the left side. There's a penalty from the official in the defensive backfield. Rifles are working hard here trying to get this go-ahead score. Quarterback drops back the pass. Heaves it deep. There's a man open. And he has it. I didn't think the pass had enough to get there, but it did somehow. Let's watch this again. Quarterback drops back, looks to the right again, sees his man wide open down the middle. He heaves it, and a nice adjustment by that receiver to haul that in. Touchdown Rifles. They go up 12-6. Extra point forthcoming. Power run up the middle. It is no good. And in the fourth quarter, the Rifles 12, the Renegades 6. This is YSN, your leader in youth sports coverage. This is YSN, the world leader in youth sports coverage. Clyde Downey Jr. back here at Super Bowl VII, Big Apple Youth Football Championship. The Rifles 12, the Renegades 6. Renegade football trying to tie this game up and perhaps go ahead. Over the right side to start out. Pickup of about 6. Let's watch this again. Little fake in the middle. Spread the defense. And if it wasn't for a shoestring tackle there, that play could have went for a lot more. That defensive play grabbed that foot and brought him down. Straight handoff up the middle. Nice play. Will it be enough for a first down? Let's watch this again. A really quick trap play. Bang! Gets by the defensive play who got upfield too quickly. That's a first down. Renegade football. Penalty on the play. The play is brought down for a loss. So let's see what this penalty is. It's against the Renegades, pushes them back. Try sweep around the left side, coming right at us. Strung out by the Rifles defense. The coach is exuding his plays to get up the field quicker, with more efficiency. Right here, the coach, I would believe, is trying to say to push it up instead of going east and west. He's trying to get him to cut up inside of that tackle, the blocker right there, to elude that tackle. But he didn't, and he was brought down for no gain. It's second down. Referee calls the play. There's a lot of movement on that line. It's like a procedure play, a penalty against the Renegades. It's a fake up the middle, run around the right side, and that's snuffed out by the Rifle defense. And the Renegades are going backwards right now, and they desperately need to get back in the game. And let's watch this good defensive play by the Rifles. Penetration right up the middle, forces the running back wide, and he's grabbed there, and the tackler did not let him go, spun him around and finished him off. It's a nice loss there. It's a heave downfield. And it's intercepted by the Rifles. The Rifle sideline is going crazy as a nice defensive play by the Rifle defensive back to pick that one off. Rifles trying to add to their lead in this championship contest here, Boys High Field. Big Apple football. These young men are really working hard out here this afternoon. Now into the evening. It's been an exciting game, some thrilling runs. Rifles have the ball. Quarterback rolls to his left, and he's brought down for no gain. The Rifles are just trying to keep this ball away from the Renegades and run this clock. Time is on their side right now. He takes a knee, and there's a penalty. Looks like a little extra jostling and pushing in there unnecessarily. Penalty is waved off. The referee winds the clock. A little dance by one of the Rifle players. He must know something that we don't. And that is your ball game, ladies and gentlemen, here from Old Boys High Field. The Springfield Rifles defeat the Brooklyn Renegades in Super Bowl VII of this Big Apple U football contest. The final score, the Springfield Rifles 12, the Brooklyn Renegades 6.
You're watching YSN, the worldwide leader in youth sports coverage.
Back here at Old Boys High Field, Rifles 12, Renegades 6. We're going to go down to Courtney Pounds with the winning coach.
We're here with Coach from the Springfield Rifles. What's your name, Coach?
Coach Carl. Coach Carl.
Coach Carl. Coach Carl, you did a great job today winning the championship of the Mite division. Great game, big game. The game was dubbed Mel versus Mel game. Did it live up to everything you was looking for?
Oh, definitely. They was a great team. I think the hardest team we played all year. But like I always say, I don't take the credit. I give it up to the kids. That's who I give it up to.
Well, we're very happy that your program has won the championship. You guys captured the title about 2 years ago. You're back in the dance. You win again. Springfield Rifles, 40 years around. What's your recipe for success?
Teach the kids the best way you can. Like I said, we ain't on the field, they are. All you can do is teach.
Well, we also want to bring in, and we're going to do a trophy presentation for the 2007 Super Bowl championship trophies. But I'm also going to bring in Miss Spalding, as you sit right here, Coach. Miss Spalding, come on, bring Miss Spalding in here. Because, again, we got to talk about the one that make it happen. When we talk about being successful at the Springfield Rifles, we got to talk about Miss Spalding. Miss Spalding, another outstanding job done with your organization. What does this all mean to you?
Oh, it really means a lot. I'm so proud of my boys, and most of all, I'm proud of my coaches. And next year we'll be back, same place, not the same location, I hope. But it's really a lot. I'm so proud of them, and especially my coaches. I can't run this organization without my dedicated coaches. They are very dedicated.
Thanks, Courtney. As we watch a jubilant bunch of Rifles players and fans as they recapture a championship after a 2-year drought. Congratulations.
We got little Mel from the Springfield Rifles winning the trophy for the championship today. How you feel today?
Good.
I know we talked about the game last time. We're going to get you to talk a little bit more to us. You did a good job, and you scored a touchdown. What does this game mean to you?
It means a lot to me.
Yeah.
The Super Bowl.
And what's your next stop?
We're not going to Tampa, so I don't know.
This is Clyde Dowdy Jr. We had an exciting youth sports presentation of the Big Apple Youth Football Super Bowl VII Championship today here, with the Springfield Rifles holding off the Renegades in a 12-6 contest. It was a tough contest. We saw a few young men go down today, but pop back up. The Rifles took control after going down by 6 to score 2 touchdowns, and we congratulate them on capturing the Super Bowl VII championship. Until next time, keep it locked in here. On behalf of all the members of the Youth Sports Network team, take care. We'll see you next time here on YSN, the leader in youth sports coverage.
The Youth Sports Network is produced by One Stop Productions Incorporated.
For more information about the Brooklyn Renegades, go to www.eteams.com/Brooklyn Renegades. For more information about the Big Apple Youth Football Conference, go to www.bigapplefootball.org.
For more information about the Youth Sports Network, go to www.youthsportsnetworktv.com. And don't forget to check out our real-time streaming channel, Youth Sports, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at www.youthsportsnetworktv.com.